Okay, so we just finished our problems from applications of linear programming, and I just wanted to remind you of the Desmos graphing tool that you could use to make some of these problems a little bit more easy when you are graphing so that you can spend most of your time doing the optimization. Okay, so if you go to the internet and type in desmos.com, it's going to bring up the scientific calculator or just main page, and you can go to tools, and under tools you can choose the calculator that you want. In this case we want a graphing calculator, so go ahead and grab that graphing calculator. I'm going to be graphing my constraints, and so x plus y is less than or equal to 10. Remember, to do less than or equal to, you just do shift comma to get the less than, and then just the equal symbol, and that automatically puts it together to get less than or equal to. This one happens to be blue, so if you hold that, you can change your color just so it matches the ones I've done before. The next one was 400x plus 600y is less than or equal to 4800. And we did that one in green. And then we have x is greater than or equal to 0. And because you do x is greater than or equal to 0 and y is greater than or equal to 0 a lot, you can just leave those there. I think both of those we made orange. And the colors probably don't matter so much, but I was just trying to stay consistent here. If you hide those, you can now have a bigger screen. Notice that this region is the same region that we graphed over here. And if you're trying to find the corner points, you get 0, 8, 6, 4, let's see, 10, 0, 0, 0, and 0, 8. So those are your 4 corner points. You just have to be a little bit careful that you know which is the shaded region. When you're doing Desmos.com and you're doing the shading, it sometimes is a little bit difficult because it shades the whole region and not just the intersection of the region, so you have to find the intersection of the region yourself. Okay, for the next problem, we don't need the blue or the green function, but I'm going to use the x is greater than 0 and y is greater than or equal to 0. I think in this problem we made them purple. So I'll change that. We also have y is greater than or equal to 2 in red. Y is less than or equal to 3x. We'll make that black. 2x plus 6y is greater than or equal to 30. And then 4x plus 2y is greater than or equal to 20. And that was in orange and light blue. Okay, so if we look at our graph, we have this region here that's the darkest. Sometimes taking off the x is greater than a 0, y is greater than a 0 might make it easier to see a little bit because it lightens things up. So we are looking at this region right here, which is the same region we drew, and getting those corner points. Let's hide that a little bit so we can see better. This corner point here is 2, 6. This corner point here is 3, 4. And then this corner point here is 9, 2. Which are the 3 corner points that we found for our optimization function, and then you could do the rest of the work using optimization. So using the Desmos graphing tool will help you just get the graphs and the intersections, especially when the numbers get to be really large, but you still have to do all of the optimization yourself and the interpretation. But I hope using this Desmos graphing tool will help you understand the optimization better.